Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use the Impact Affiliate Dashboard. Alright, so once you log on to impact.com, make sure you're on the sign up option or sign in. So for those of you who don't have an account, so make sure you go through the sign up process in order to access the dashboard. But if you already have an account like I do, all you need to do is simply click on the signing option and get signed in. All right, so once you've signed up as a starter, we have the starter product onboarding. So here you can set up your accounts, you can set up your payment plan, view your subscriptions, your billing, and credit cards. They also have a starter edition from Impact, so you can go ahead and watch this for more clarity. So now in order to access your dashboard, once you're on here, that's on the onboarding page. This is the onboarding page of Impact. There's this gray arrow at the bottom of your screen where you have your name. All you need to do is click on this arrow. Go ahead and where we have dashboard, click on dashboard. All right, guys. So welcome to the Impact dashboard. We have your snapshots, your program goals, your finance, upcoming deadlines, performance by partner, distribution by partner, and you can view your partners. These are your advertisers. You can view reports. You can also make use of the need help section, which is just at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, for snapshots, we have what we call show compare. So if you click on show compare and select a range, let's say for the previous year, you can view your snapshots like the number of clicks you've had, the actions, your revenue, the total costs, like what you've spent, your credit, and all of the good stuff. Now, seeing as I just recently opened this account, I don't really have much activity on here. But once you get clicks, once you start getting clicks, you'd see the number of clicks you're getting per day on this comparison chart. And for your program goals, I think this can be simply set up and edited by you. You could simply edit the program goals widget to show what you need, like your clicks, calls, installs, revenue. And then if you go ahead and click on apply, you get to see all of that in your program goals here. Same thing with finance. You could edit or remove your finance from here, and you could as well make a deposit. You could also make a deposit on here. And as I said before, we also have upcoming deadlines. So basically, upcoming deadlines could be for massive events or a minority event that is being hosted by Impact or the advertisers or sponsors on Impact. It would reflect here as well. It could also be in terms of your upcoming repayment for your ads because you have to run ads on the space. All right, so if you were to head over to Performance by Partner and click on View Reports, you could get to see the performance report over a period of time with your partner who you are affiliating for. So performance by partner, as you can see, and as I mentioned earlier, I don't have any graphable data to show for any activities with any partners at all. But yes, once you start making use of your dashboard, you could simply make use of the performance by partner to simply check their performance. You could check your ads, check what's going on, and just underneath the dashboard that's here on your left, you can move over to partners. You can view groups, contacts, applications, and your proposals, your reports, your transactions, contents, and contracts. All right, guys. So that's everything concerning how to make use of the dashboard as a beginner. All you need to do is make sure you're registered on Impact, and then you go through this video. So guys, comment down below if you have a question concerning anything on this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.